Naomi Home presents the Tanya Power Motion Recliner Assembly video. Before we begin, please make sure to have the assembly instructions on hand to follow along and have all the parts listed. This Tanya recliner comes as shown with side buttons that facilitates the backrest recline and leg rest. To get started, connect the backrest to the chair base. Attach the magnets onto the chair base. Next, slide the side pieces onto the backrest. Place the included cushion on the recliner. Finally, connect the cable onto the back side of the chair base. Now that you've connected all of the cables, you are able to rotate into any angle, plug in your electronic devices to charge, and go from sitting up straight to a recline position. Push the front button to recline and push the back button to sit back up. And there you have it, your Tanya Power Motion Recliner is complete and ready for use. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.